Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I will be telling you how you can fix your iPhone storage full. What you need to do is go to the settings, and then you need to go to the general option here. And after going to the general option, there's an iPhone storage option here. Just go over there and you can see as there are different applications which have consumed different data. Like photos have consumed 4.4, and overall the data consumed is shown over here. If you check over here, iPhone, as my phone is 256 GB, at 40 GB is consumed. If your iPhone storage is full, you can scroll down and check different apps which are consuming different data. You can simply delete the app which you don't need, just like this. Just tap on it and there's a delete option here. It will free up the space of 283 MB, like this. Okay, it will automatically delete that app and it will free up the space over here. If you still have more data which you don't need at the moment, what you need to do is go to the photos, and you can just delete some of your photos and free up the space. Okay, another thing you can do is just go on the settings and tap on your ID here, and you need to go to the iCloud. And what you need to do is go to the photos, as I have not synced the photos to the iCloud because the iCloud given the space is very limited, and so I want to keep the confidential data in my iCloud. What you can do here is you can enable this setting, and there's an option will come up to optimize the iPhone storage. It will reduce the size of the photos, or it will reduce the quality of the photos, which will enhance the inherent space within the iPhone. So that's how you can delete the apps or delete the data and free up the iPhone storage within your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any other question, just let me know. I'll keep posting the videos which may be helpful for you. Thank you very much.